Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your account password on Reddit, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your account password on Reddit, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Reddit homepage at www.reddit.com. In the top right corner, click on the Login button. When the login screen appears, look for the Forgot Password link below the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Reddit account. Type your email address into the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Send Reset Email button. Check your inbox for an email from Reddit with the subject Password Reset Request. Open the click on the link, which will direct you to the password reset page on Reddit. On this page, enter your new password in the first field. Re-enter your new password in the confirmation field to ensure it matches. Once both fields are complete, click the Change Password button. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the Reddit login page. Enter your username and your newly created password. Click the Login button to access your account. Congratulations! You have successfully reset your Reddit password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.